Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to any video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up or create an Epay account. It's so simple. You only need your first and last name, that is your first name and your surname, and you need a phone number, and again you need an email address in order to create an Epay account. So I'm going to take you through step by step on how to do the whole procedure. So what you have to do is to subscribe to this channel, like the video, and also turn the notification bell on so that you won't miss any of my video, okay, or any of my future videos. So guys, it's so simple. Make sure you watch this video until the end for you to learn the whole steps. So thank you so much. In order to create Epay account, you need email address and the referral or referral code. I'm gonna put the referral code or ID on the comment or description of this video. So make sure you have watched the video full to understand the full procedure, and after that copy or write it somewhere so that you'll come and paste it or write it manually this on under the box in the box, I mean. Though they said it is not like not required or it is not compulsory, it is optional, to mean you can put it if you like. But as for me, this is the only way you can appreciate me. Remember, I do these videos, there is no one I'm demanding the money from, okay? So the only way you can appreciate Cynthia's work is to put that referral code, okay? So I really need it. Put it for my sake. Then you also need email address up here. You just tap on it, then type your email address or even paste it if you have copied it somewhere. After that, come here. Let me untick this box. Okay, you'll get it unticked like this. So you have to tap on the circle in order to tick it to agree with the Epay user agreement and privacy policy. Then after that, you're gonna click on next. So after you've done that, they're gonna take you to your own profile, and they will also ask you to download the app, okay? So after you've done that, you can go ahead and download the app itself in order to update your profile and also add the required things, and such as ID, because you're gonna need the ID or passport or even driving license in order to be verified as a real user, not a robot, okay? So I'm gonna take you to the app itself to show you the features on the app and how they work. So you can see after downloading the app, you're gonna see login or create account. So you're gonna click on login because you've already created the account. So you just need to download the app and login. So we're gonna click on login. So if you log into your account, if your account is not verified, you're gonna see something like please complete KYC. KYC in full is know your customer, okay? So for you to do the satisfaction, you have to upload your own government identification card, as I said earlier, your passport or driving license. So you can choose one from the three and use it, okay? So if you can see on your left side at the top, you can see the three lines right here. We have the three lines up here. So if you check on them, you'll be able to see what kind of features they have. And down here you have home, and also we have the plus if you want to add the account, and also we're gonna see what the plus is having. So here you can see the transactions history, okay? So let's go here and see what is there. So if you tap on the three lines, you're gonna see home, and you can also see Epay account. You can also see stakeholders man, then transaction and contactors. So under account, if you tap on this, okay, this arrow here, if you tap on it, you'll be able to see assets. What assets are what you have in the app, okay? Then pay in, you can internal transfer, you can send another Epay account. That is what we call transfer. For example, if I'm having Epay account and I want you to pay me through Epay, through my Epay account, I'll send you my details or my email address for you to pay me through my Epay account. That is internal transfer. Okay, then we also have a currency exchange. Currency exchange, for example, if you have euro, you want to exchange it into US dollar or GBP. Then we also have transaction history. You can check transaction history, but I don't have any for now. So while you are here, guys, you're gonna see the amount total balance you have here. You'll be able to see, you can see the current total funds consists of the amount in all currencies within the Epay account, which are converted into USD. So this is new account. Though it is verified, this account is full. So this account is fully verified, guys. Okay,